Hey guys, I'm back in the Rocky Mountains here, and this is the Ghost River. It's one of Alberta's most beautiful, and I'm gonna be spending the night here. We're gonna do a bit of solo camping. As usual, gonna cook up some amazing food and probably get some cool drone shots as well. So yeah, if that's the kind of stuff that you like watching and looking for a little bit of a relaxing video, then yeah, stick around and should be a good one. So yeah. All right, so back out here for another adventure in the Rockies. We're back in the Ghost Wilderness land use area where I've been a couple times on the channel. That's where I was 2 videos ago, and yeah, I'm excited to be back. It's absolutely beautiful around here, and the fact that you can bring your car along is crazy. So today we're gonna camp, I think, right by the actual river. I've been around it a few times, probably seen it on the drone footage and stuff, but today we're gonna go right beside it, and yeah, should be beautiful. Awesome to do a nice little cold dip in the morning as well. But yeah, I got some good food. I'm gonna get some epic drone shots, and yeah, so let's get after it. We're almost there. I'm about 10 kilometers into the trail. Just gotta go down this hill, and I'll see you guys in the riverbed. All right, so just seeing if we can scout an area out. River's right there. The spot looks kind of flat. Might be able to park the Jeep here, have a fire right by the river. Beautiful view of the mountains. That should work. All right, yeah, this kind of area will work right by the river. It's perfect. Probably set up a fire like right around here kind of thing. And yeah, should be good. I wonder if I can jump across that. I don't know. That's pretty far. Screw it, gotta test it. Running start. Oh, that's far. Oh, I've done it. Oh, heels landed right on the edge. Gotta get back now. Oh, it looks farther from this side. Oh, okay. Oh, come on. Oh my. Okay, quit messing around. Gotta start a fire here. Yeah, gonna start a fire. First, I'm just gonna show you guys something, so I'll grab that. Oh, I just watched that back and that didn't look super athletic, that jump, but been out of soccer for a couple of years now, can't blame me. Okay, but I wanted to show you guys something cool. So, this right here is a life straw. Now these, what they do is they filter like 99.99999 whatever percent of bacteria and bad stuff in the water. Pretty much allows you to drink from anywhere. I've drank out of some pretty gross stuff, but I haven't actually used this in a couple of years, so we're gonna test this out. Pretty much just open that side, and so test it out on some nice fresh mountain water. Let's give that a try. How good does that look? So I just lean down and start sucking. Oh, sometimes it takes a bit. Tastes very grassy almost. You'll still get some of that taste coming through of whatever kind of body of water you're drinking from, but main thing is it filters all that stuff out. So yeah, not bad. Yeah, kind of weird tasting water, but it's definitely clean, so that's the main thing. Got our firewood out here. In my hometown, Calgary, where I live, actually we just had a big water pipe burst, like the main line for the city. So we really have to preserve water. We're not allowed to like water our grass or wash our cars or nothing. So that's actually how everyone's been getting water. We just gotta drink out of the river and stuff. So no, I'm just kidding. Still allow a little bit, just gotta conserve it. But yeah, we'll get our fire started here. Okay, so probably gonna put it right there, just because it's a little less grassy. We've been lucky this year. We've had a lot of moisture, so don't have a fire ban yet. At least, hopefully we don't get one at all, but yeah, I mean, it's still good to try to have it in an area where there's not a ton of dry grass, right? And I am just bringing my own firewood again. This area is a pretty popular camping spot, so usually just gotta bring your own. There's not a lot of deadfall. Actually, when I was coming in here, I came across a lady who was just scrounging around for twigs and stuff, and she was like, "Where do you find firewood around here?" And yeah, I told her you probably should bring some next time. Should have offered her a bit actually, but didn't think of it. alas, fire is going. This is usually kind of one of the best parts. It's a lot of work to get out here, you know, plan what you need, pack all your stuff, drive out here a couple hours, find a spot, cut up your wood. So yeah, when you finally get her going, it's always pretty nice. And this wood is burning like super hot. It's awesome, like no issue to start whatsoever. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a minute, just take it in. It's, man, is it a beautiful day. And yeah, then we'll get cooking pretty soon here. All right, so got some coals going. Once those settle down, we'll be able to start cooking, but show you guys what I've got for food here. If you're wondering what this big blue thing is, it's like honestly, it's like a kid's little chair, but it folds out. So that's kind of just what I'm gonna sleep on in there. But yeah, just car camping for today. Didn't feel like bringing the tent, but okay. So for food, I have a nice little steak. Gonna throw this right on the coals, actually. My friend always cooks a steak over the fire like that, and I've heard it's awesome. Oh, I'll get a bunch of bugs in here. What is this? And then just a little burger patty, just for a little more protein. And then got some butter that we're gonna put over those. Brought some fresh fruit. So we got some fresh strawberries, a cucumber, got some grapes. I ate most of these on the way here, just kind of snacking on them. Some bananas. I know these are a little bit brown just because they've been in there, but they're still good. Some bananas. Then I got some fresh raw honey. And basically, so what I'm gonna do, oh, and we got some hard-boiled eggs. Forgot about those. Kind of a weird spread, but this is quality, healthy food. So I brought my handmade wooden cutting board. I made this in high school. I'm gonna have a nice spread here. So meat, fresh vegetables, some honey drizzled over that. Oh, can't wait. And of course some salt. So yeah, I guess for right now we can wash some of this fruit. Guess where I'm gonna wash that. All right, so just gonna give these guys a rinse. That cucumber rinsed off there. Oh, and actually I forgot to mention, I put it in the river because it was kind of soft. I didn't put it in my cooler, but I got some nice cheese as well. So cheese and grapes, I don't know about you guys, but that goes together amazingly. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes or so. I had to let my phone charge up a bit, but yeah, we got all the fruit and veg prepped, the eggs too. That just looks beautiful. The color of those yolks is amazing. So now what I'm gonna do is throw my burger patty and my steak on just right on the coals here, and yeah, I'll let that get cooking. As usual. Oh. All right. Give that 5 minutes or so. It's gonna sear, I hope. Then we'll flip it over. All right. Yeah, pretty much good. I just want to say quick, sorry about the audio is probably kind of weird. It's gonna be loud one clip and then kind of quiet the next clip for a bit there. Having some issues with a cord, but anyway, all good. Take a look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. So again, we got the eggs, the grapes, the cheese to go with the grapes, bananas, strawberries, cucumber, butter, steak, another burger patty, I was actually able to get like a pretty solid sear on the steak. Rendered the fat cap actually beautifully, I think. And then we put the honey over everything as well. So, well, let's give this a try. Let's see. Get into this steak before it gets cold here. Curious to see how I cooked it. I was aiming for medium rare, but over the fire, kind of take what you get. Oh. And that is a medium well. Oh, not ideal. I usually prefer medium rare, but I'll take it. Let's see how this can see how this tastes. Actually might be more of a medium now that I'm looking at it again. But oh man. That's awesome. Oh, the flavor of the smoke really comes through there. It's got a whole smorgasbord here. But yeah, I'm gonna take 5-10 minutes, eat this all up, and then, well, keep her going. Well, that was exquisite. Yeah, definitely one of the better camping meals I've had out here, that's for sure. But yeah, kind of just enjoying the remainder of the warmth here from the fire. I do have one more big log, but don't think I'm gonna put it on. It's about 11 o'clock now, so getting late, but yeah, I'll probably just chill for a bit. It's insane, like I guess in that from that angle you can't really tell, but it's still kind of light out in the distance, which is crazy for 11 o'clock. Up here in the north, yeah. Oh, I'm getting smoked out. Oh man. Yeah, I was saying, yeah, it's pretty, we get pretty long days in the summer. Very short days in the winter though. But yeah, it's getting late, so I'm just gonna hang out for a minute or two and probably start setting up the bed. Whenever you're camping, you always got to take a chance to just lay on the ground and look at the stars. Unfortunately, tonight it's a little cloudy. I do see one over there, but last time me and Luke were out here, we saw, oh man, the stars were crazy. We saw like satellites every second too. It's a pretty memorable night. We got to get Luke back on here. If you're watching this, buddy, we're going out soon. I have a couple ideas we could do. But yeah, this is nice. All right, so here's what we're looking at. Actually, I'm gonna go to the other side, a little bit close there. Okay, so here's what we're looking at for the car camp setup. Like I said, we got this one little pad down here. It's a little thicker, it's just super squishy. So then I got this sort of single mattress on top. Actually, funny story, the reason I bought this is because, so I work out of town. I'm usually gone for 2 weeks at a time, and I really didn't want to pay rent. So I was like, I'm just gonna sleep in my car, live in my car. So I bought this, I had like a cooler in here and stuff, did that for about 2 weeks, and I was like, nope, not doing that. So yeah, kind of a waste of money, but hey, at least now I got it for car camping. But yeah, this will definitely be a lot more comfortable than sleeping outside. So yeah, nice every once in a while. Well, with that setup, pretty much leave it at there for tonight. Tomorrow, I'm thinking I'm gonna do a nice cold dip right in the river. That's what I did a couple videos ago. It's absolutely brutal, but yeah, I mean, you feel amazing after. So why not, right? But just gonna go to the bathroom here and then I'll say goodnight once I'm tucked in. And then, yeah, besides that, looking forward to tomorrow. All right, so yeah, all snuggled in here, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Breakfast. Well, good morning. That was an interesting night. Didn't sleep much. It got actually really cold. I was able to kind of just layer up and stay decently warm, but yeah, main issue is I've been sick kind of the last couple days, and unfortunately I think I have some sort of like stomach flu, because I feel terrible right now, and I felt terrible all night. I couldn't sleep, maybe slept a couple hours, just stomach growling, and oh yeah, I have a terrible headache right now. So I think we're gonna have to skip out on the cold dip this morning, which is unfortunate, but I don't know if that would be the best thing for me, so maybe next time. But yeah, kind of just eating my strawberries at the moment, and then yeah, besides that, probably get her going home. Well, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed.